Hello guys! For today's video, may nag-comment sa aking YouTube channel. Ang sabi niya sa comment, Ma'am, pwede ko magpagawa ng resolution for the implementation of quarterly self and performance evaluation audit for our tanods. Okay, ma'am, sir, tingnan niyo to kung mapit ba sa hinahanap mong resolution. Okay, let's start. Example, Resolution number 38, Series of 2025, whereas submitted to the body for consideration the following resolution to wit: a resolution implementing a quarterly self and performance evaluation audit for the barangay tanods of Barangay Alimukon. Example lang tong barangay namin Alimukon, whereas barangay tanods serve as the frontliners in maintaining peace and order and public safety within the community, whereas it is necessary to establish a regular system of evaluation to assist the performance, commitment, and efficiency of the tanods in the discharge of their duties and responsibilities, whereas a quarterly self and fair performance evaluation audit will promote transparency, accountability, and continuous improvement in the delivery of peace and order services. Whereas this initiative will also serve as a tool for identifying training needs, recognizing outstanding service, and ensuring the efficient and responsible use of barangay resources. Now, therefore, on motion of Honorable Juan de la Cruz, duly seconded by all present members of the Sangguniang Barangay, be it resolved as it is hereby resolved to implement a quarterly self and fair performance evaluation audit for all barangay tanods of Barangay Alimukon starting in the third quarter of 2025. Resolved further that the Barangay Peace and Order Committee, in coordination with the Barangay Secretary, shall formulate the evaluation form, criteria, and guidelines for the conduct of the said audit. Resolved, finally, that copies of this resolution be furnished to the Municipal Local Government Operations Officer or MLGOO, the Office of the Municipal Mayor, and other concerned offices for their information and appropriate action. Approved this 21st day of July 2025 during the regular session of the Sangguniang Barangay held at the Barangay Hall of Barangay Alimukon, San Fernando, Cebu, attested by Honorable Cardo Dalisa Jr., Ponong Barangay, prepared by Alni Brawis, Barangay Sitawin. Sa gustong mapagawa ng resolution, mag-comment lang kayo, and don't forget to like and subscribe us for more videos. Bye-bye!